Wow, things are actually popping over at Radio DJ Match. I just wanted to say thank you for everyone who jumped into this. I love that you're just kind of fired up. You're energized by the opportunity to actually practice something you love doing, being on the radio on a real radio station. So I'm going to jump back into this, show you where we're at. But if you're new, if you haven't heard the big announcement, I built this cool website, 125% free, not going to cost you a flippin' peso to get in on this radio matching action. So that's the whole point. I'm trying to connect radio DJs who love to rock mics with radio stations who actually are looking for some human talent. Maybe you've tired of the bots or you don't want to go down that road. Even though my AI DJ system, RoboDJ, is incredibly adept and very conversational sounding, but still, it will never match that energetic of a human. And I just think it's a good thing to do. I think we're at this place in radio history where there really are not any real opportunities for people who do have a legitimate hunger, for young people who are all three of you under 30 who actually know what radio is. But anyway, you've heard of this nutty medium, and it's something you actually want to try. You want to dip your toe in these waters, much like some of us old dudes and dudettes did many a moon ago, decades ago, when radio was thriving, it was electric, and it truly mattered. And hey, I think if we all think back to those days, it really was life-changing. And I know for a lot of us, we have not found anything else to replace those live radio feelings. And there isn't. I mean, I worked in TV most all my life. And sure, TV sounds exciting, but come on. Nothing holds a waxless candle to being on a radio station and commanding a live microphone. None of this voice tracking nonsense. No, I'm sorry. And I get it. That's kind of where we're at today. And maybe some of that is better than a whole lot of nothing of the other option. But it doesn't. It just cannot match the energy of doing a live show. But it's all we have now. And I get that. And that's kind of where Radio DJ Max comes in to play. Let me jump over here. What I love is, of course, we've got a ton of DJs who've jumped in because, like me, you still, are energized by the thought of doing a radio show. You love the idea. Maybe you don't want the headache of starting your own station, and that for some is a very steep technical mountain to climb. All the nonsense with playout software. Oh my goodness, don't get me going about the music licensing and the shakedown you're going to experience if you want to do this legit. So forget about all that. You have a unique skill set. You have a wonderfully, creative voice. So why not just do what you do and produce the content, record the voice tracks that could help out a station owner who's looking for your special brew of radio nonsense. And I love that so many of you have jumped in and you have created profiles. Oh, here we go. Let's check out Justin Walters. He's a lifelong radio geek, and I support that. We love you radio geeks. 12 years experience, loves great music, great radio, connecting with listeners. What more could you want? And he has a demo reel here about that. This is something I've heard from some other radio stations, and it's just best practice. Please, please, please. I know you're excited, but do not post an entire unedited or unscoped, as they say, radio show. We don't need to hear all the music. We only want to hear you because it's all about you. We know the music. We know that music's good, or we hate the music and you're only turning us off. No. It's you need to focus on. The spotlight should only be on your break. So please cut that up. And still, when you do cut it up, we don't need 10 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is enough. And make sure that demo tape, that aircheck, has a good variety of different breaks. Don't give me 5 weathers. I don't need to hear that. Show me you know how to do the weather once and move on. Then, show me you know how to talk into a break. Show me, how to, be conversational or have a great listener interaction. Say something witty. Talk up a song in a unique way. That's what you should focus on. Actually, if you go to my profile, you can listen to a demo reel just to get an idea. I'm not saying it's the best ever. I think time-wise, it's pretty good. It may be, I don't know how long this is. It could be under 3 minutes. But anyway, check out the Jeff Scott profile for that nut. And then I'm just, flipping my lid here. I love to see that you station owners have jumped in and really want to help out some of these newbies or the old bees, radio dinosaurs, who have not been able to shake that feeling of being behind a mic, and they want more of it. So thank you for giving people an opportunity to really work out and stretch those radio muscles on, stations that they probably wouldn't have access to. And until this site was built, we didn't know what stations were looking for radio talent. I think a lot of people have had that desire to do this, but they've had no formal outlet. That's why I built Radio DJ Match. It's a watering hole for us all to come together and meet each other and hopefully connect DJs with stations that are looking for fresh voices. And there's a lot of stations here. I'm really impressed. And over in opportunities, I think at the recording of this video, there's about 10 different opportunities. And I've been very careful to call them opportunities. It's not a job board because you're going to find here, most of these are unpaid. But who cares? It's not about that. Come on. If we're interested in radio, we're not interested in getting rich from this. Well, of course, down deep, we'd love to. But I think we're all sober enough to know that's not going to happen. This is really just a pure passion play. It's a creative pursuit. It's a great hobby. And sure, if you can, spin up a side hustle where you're making a little money on the side, great. But you can't, go into this experience hoping to get rich or even hoping to get paid at this point, especially if you're new. No. Just you need to work out your muscles. You need to get better. And this gives you a chance to improve with every break, with every show that you record. There you go. You are incrementally improving your skills. And that's the way to do it. And look at this. And this is only going to grow. And I'm looking at the variety of formats. DJ for our Christian radio station. That's great. Here's CHR. There's a rock opportunity. Afternoon drive show. This guy needs somebody to go full time, maybe. That's pretty good. The mixtape CMXT is searching for a host who can make afternoons addictive. You're going to voice track 12 short breaks that air through the 3-hour show. That's pretty good. So there's definitely enough stuff here to wet your whistle, to keep you interested, and to keep you coming back. Because as hopefully this site gets more popular, it's only going to expand its reach, and there will be more opportunities. And you know what? I don't know if I have this, maybe this in a future update. We can even include, a language field so we can filter by language, because maybe you're, in the Netherlands, maybe you're in Germany, and you just want a language-specific show. Well, that could also be an option. Now, something I did add the option to do is if you have multiple stations. Well, now you could log in and actually add numerous stations under your one account, which is nice. And then you can post multiple opportunities. But right now we have 23 DJs, 26 stations, and 10 opportunities. I love that. So let's keep this baby cranking. It's RadioDJMatch.com. Yes, we're doing the unthinkable. We're actually connecting humans in this very AI-dominated space right now. But no. We have to get back to our roots, and we really have to keep those creative fires burning. We have to keep that energetic in radio alive, because there's plenty of DJs with a pulse and a breath and original idea that would love to rock a mic on your station. And this is the site to go to find those people, to find those stations. And really, I want you to take some time to craft the best profile as possible. If you're a DJ, tell us all about yourself. Tell us about your experience. And if you're a station, come on, really paint the picture. Why is your station a great fit for this particular DJ? So give us details. Of course, stations, drop a link to your website because we need to get to know you before we could consider working with you. And we're going to keep this going. And I want to hear success stories eventually. I know we're kind of early in the life cycle of this, but once some of you DJs actually start cutting voice tracks, doing shows for stations, please reach out. Tell me about that experience. Because I've already heard from some of you, you're saying, oh my goodness, without, a site like this, I'd have no way to actually get my voice on a radio station and actually do something that I love. And I love to hear that. And then radio stations, let me hear from you. How has this helped you? Because I know most or many online radio stations, they're just soulless jukebox. They play a lot of music. Maybe they have some sweepers in between the songs, but there's little else to draw a listener in. And more importantly, to keep a listener listening. And you do that with personality, with little unexpected moments that a human can provide. So let's again prioritize personality from all these DJs who come to, crack a mic on your radio station. Because that's the only way we compete with the big guys. And if you tune into the quote unquote big guys, you're not even hearing a ton of personality on the FM. So it's definitely easy to overtake them and deliver something that FM just has stopped caring about years ago. But damn it, we care about it. Yes, let your freak flag fly in your DJ profile and get creative with your demo tape. Don't feel it has to be so sterile and, middle of the road. No, get creative. Show us your entire range. Let us hear things that you do that others can't. We want to hear your special sauce because that is how you win these days. And on internet radio, come on. There shouldn't be any guardrails. We should be trying everything. We should be throwing every creative idea against that speaker and see what sticks because you won't know until you try. And again, there's no risk here. Come on, stations. Live a little. Expand your thinking and take some risks because that's the only way you'll reap some reward by doing something different. Hey, it's pretty obvious. If people have come over to you, if they jump from FM or Spotify and are actively seeking something new, an internet station, it means those other mediums were not delivering what they were looking for. And again, this is an opportunity for us to do that. And again, I keep coming back to this. We do that with these fresh voices, with unique personalities, and just, new ways of presenting old music. And sure, some of that is pulled off with our imaging, creative sweepers, and production elements, but mainly it's with the DJs. So encourage your air staff, but just think of brand new ways to say the same old tired things that listeners are expecting. If you do that, then you wake those listeners up, and maybe they keep coming back to you because A, they already love your music, but now you're feeding them a steady, tasty stream of something they can't get anywhere else. And the only next step, if you haven't checked out RadioDJMatch.com, is to get your booty over to it right now. Create your profiles. If you already have, check out the opportunity section every couple days. I think there's going to be new opportunities popping. And no, I'm not on my third cup of coffee. I'm barely even finished my first yet. So this is just me being legitimately excited about this silly website. Oh, I need a nap after this. Okay, you know what to do. Check it out. Hit a like and a subscribe if you support this radical movement of connecting DJs to radio stations. Oh my goodness, groundbreaking, right? I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.